Good morning and welcome to the video for Tuesday, May the 5th. This is going to be our new lesson for today. So today we are working with liquid volume. And so we are working with gallons, half gallons, quarts, pints, and cups, and doing different conversions between them. So let me zoom in just a little bit here. So 1 gallon is going to be our largest unit of measurement, and then half gallons. A quart would be 1/4 of a gallon, and then we have 2 pints in a quart, 2 cups in a pint, and 8 fluid ounces in a cup. So we have another kind of numerical chart on one of our later pages that will help us with this, but to compare how the size of a gallon compares to the size of a quart, they want us to shade things in. So I'm going to shade in my gallon in green, or at least draw a line through it. And then a quart would be here. And so my quart is going to be 1/4 the size of a gallon. So a gallon is going to be 4 times as much as 1 quart. Going on to the next page, we kind of get a hint of what the answer should be down here. But if you look back at either the previous page or look at the next page, which has the chart, 1 gallon is going to be equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 cups. And each cup is going to be worth 8 fluid ounces. So I can do 16 cups times 8 fluid ounces to get 128 fluid ounces. We have it already written there, so we don't have to really worry too much. If you got something different when you were trying to multiply, just go back and check your steps. Again, if we're doing 16 times 8, we would have 48 here, carry the 4, 8 times 1 gives us 8 plus 4 would give us 12. And that would give us our tenths and hundredths place. All right, so all we need to do is add 128 plus 128. That would give us 256. And then if we add 256 plus 128, that's going to give us a 4 here, carry a 1, so it looks like 384 would be our answer for that. So 384 fluid ounces would be 3 gallons, and now we are comparing our 350 to 384, and our 384 side is larger, so 350 is going to be less than. And so if we only need 350 ounces, we do have enough mix to make 3 gallons of, oh, sorry, if we're wanting to make 3 gallons, we do not. I read that wrong, sorry about that. So we do not have enough to make 3 gallons. Sorry, I'm used to it being we've got 3 gallons of stuff and we only need this amount, so I got that backwards. Number 1 for share and show. Again, we're going to focus on the odd numbers for this. So we are going to compare 1 quart, the thing that we would have 2 of, to equal 1 quart would be 2 pints. And so the abbreviation for that would be PT. And so that's how that one would look. 3 gallons, we can multiply by 4 to get our number of quarts. So that will give us 12. Number 5, if we are going from gallons to pints, we are multiplying by 8. So 4 times 8 would give us 32. Now comparing, so 1 gallon is equal to 16 cups. So if I take 2 gallons and multiply it by 16, that is going to give us exactly 32, which is going to be equal. For number 9, we have 2 pints in a quart. So if I do 5 times 2, that gives me 10 pints on this side, 11 pints on this side, and 10 would be less than 11. And let's go ahead and look at our homework problems real quick. So Risen Christ students, you are going to be doing the even numbers except for number 14. I'm going to put a little red X through that just to save time. I will give an example of that, but you can honestly just look back through the lesson, and actually you could go back one page and see where we're comparing quarts to cups, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so this one, number 4 would give us quarts to cups, but thinking about how you could write a word problem, we could almost do that with this and just change from ounces to cups. 1 and 2 on the back, and then I will go ahead and cover all of these front and back for the homework video, which will come out on Wednesday. So I will see you in that next video. Hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, Risen Christ students, go ahead and send me a message in Google Classroom, and I'll be happy to help you. Again, I don't have any way to open up the videos to comment, so if you are not one of my students normally, and you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your classroom teacher to help you with that. So hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.